Kung aalis ka, gusto mo hatid pa kita? I used to spend so much of my time filtering myself, trying to be the version of me that was easy to swallow, basically making myself smaller. But lately, I've really fallen in love with the idea that just being your authentic self is the ultimate filter. It's supposed to scare people away who aren't meant for you. It means they're not ready for you. Think about it. We hide our genuine selves, our weird humor, or how deeply we care about things. Kasi natatakot tayo na baka mawirdohan sila sa atin. Like, what? But when you mask who you are just to keep people close, you're actually trapping yourself in a room full of strangers. You're prone to losing yourself. It's such a heavy feeling that you have to pretend just so they could accept you. Let them leave. If your raw honesty or your real energy scares them off, then they were never your people to begin with. Your authentic self isn't a flaw. It's a magnet. The right people won't look at your depth and think it's too much. They'll look at it and realize it's exactly what they've been searching for. Hindi mo kailangan liitan ang sarili mo para na magkasya ka sa buhay ng ibang tao. That shit is a waste of life. Come on! Value your energy for the ones who love your authentic self. Stop apologizing for how you were built, for how you are. Okay? Okay. Good night.